Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So you can see today I'm going to work with ChatGPT. I'm going to do something very interesting. I'll show you how to do the data analysis using ChatGPT. So let's say for this, I have this data set. So I'll take first few observations of this data and I'll copy and then I'll paste it in the ChatGPT here and then I'll ask something to do with this data set. So I'll ask describe the uh, data set and then I'll paste here whatever data I copied. Let's say it describes or not. Wow, it is describing. So data contains information about uh, age, gender, BMI, and whether or not they have the disease. Wow, quite nicely it is explaining the things. Interesting. So now I'll ask, can you find the mean and the standard deviation of age variable. Yes, it can find. So it is doing. Wow, it is using the very simple formula, sum of observations divided by the number of observations. And for variance, it is for the standard deviation, it is writing the square root of sum of deviations taken from mean and the squared. Wow, interesting. Now I'll ask, can you find the the summary statistic statistics about the data data set. Let's see whether it finds or not. Yes, it can provide. So it is using Mathematica. Great. Using Mathematica, it is calculating the results. Now suppose I don't like Mathematica, I'm not using this, then I can give some specific command to this using maybe uh, R, R software. Can you find the summary statistics about the data set using R? So let's say whether it does using R or not. Yes, it can provide using R. So it is now making a data frame of the data set and how nice it is. It is providing the codes and the interpretation about the data, everything, whatever we are asking. I like it. Wow. So I will try some more questions. Let us complete this first. Then again, it is using Mathematica. This code will produce the same summary as I provided. Okay, it is telling I had already completed this task using Mathematica. So it is comparing the results. It's okay. Now I'll ask, can you suggest, can you find the correlation between the variables? Yes, it can provide the correlation also. So it is again using the R. So using R, it will produce the correlation between the variables. You have to wait to complete the task for this, but it is quite interesting. I liked it. I hope you would have also liked. You can start using the ChatGPT to do the basic data analysis, and it is now writing the markdown file also. The output, okay, making a table, okay. Wow, great. And the interpretation also, it is telling how this can be interpreted. The range lie between this and this. 0 indicate perfect negative, 1 indicate perfect positive. Wow. Now I'll ask, can you write the correlation result in a table. Let's see what it does. Yes, it can provide. So it is writing the correlation matrix in a table in a better representable form. So quite interesting. And now I'll ask, can you suggest some statistical analysis uh, to be done on this data set? Yes, we'll see how it provides and what all things it suggests. Wow, logistic regression, chi-square test of independence, analysis of variance, linear regression, cluster analysis. Wow. So even if somebody doesn't know what the data is, what all tests can we apply to the data, we can ask ChatGPT and we can do that analysis in the software. uh, I liked it very much. So I'm quite excited to do the analysis. And guys, you can also use the ChatGPT for understanding the data and knowing the doing the data analysis. It can help us a lot in doing the basic task. So this is what I wanted to show you. I hope you would have liked this video and you can start using the ChatGPT. So if you like this video, you can like and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.